Hello, guys. Welcome back to my channel, Naveen Tamtayam Excel VBA. If you are a new visitor at my channel, please do subscribe to my channel so that the notifications of my upcoming video would be reached out to you on time. So guys, in today's tutorial, I am going to create a small project for you based on the cities. So what this project will do is it will apply filter on city. It will copy the data, will make one sheet and will paste the data cut for the particular city and will change the name as per this city. So we have around, if you will have a look here, we have so many cities here. So I want to create so many sheets which will contain the data for that particular city. How this will be done through VBA? Let's get started. So guys, first of all, I will go to developer tab and I will take one command button from here and I will name it as auto filter project. So guys, I am in the coding environment, which is the integrated development environment. So I will start writing my code here. I am defining some of the variables, like I am saying dim x as integer, then ws as worksheet. Then I am taking one more variable, which is last row. So I am saying, first of all, let me define the sheet. So I'm saying WSD equals to sheets data. The name of my sheet is data, which is written here. So I have defined it here as WSD and set keyword will be used here. Now I am defining last row. So I will say WSD cells rows dot count comma 1 dot end excel up dot row. So I have defined the last row guys here. Now what I want to do here is, since you can see here there are duplicate entries. So first of all, I will copy the whole range and will remove duplicate. So in order to do this, what I will do is I will say WSD dot cells 1,3 or 2,3 dot select. Then I will say WSD. Okay guys, let me make it more dynamic. So I am using the dynamic functionality here. So I will say my range as range and I will use set my range equals to WSD dot range and then I will say cells, and here in this cells I will say I want to select the whole range. So I will say WSD WSD dot cells. So my range will become from 2 to 3 comma WSD dot cells, and here I will say last row comma 3. So this is my dynamic range guys. I am writing here so that it will be convenient for you to understand that I have created a dynamic range here. So this is my dynamic range. Now I want to say my range dot select. Let me just check if it's selecting the whole range. So I will go one by one by pressing F8 key. So if you will see here, the entire range has been selected. So let me just check if it has selected till the end. So this is a dynamic range, guys. It has selected the entire range. If there would have been any blank cells in this range, it would have selected the entire range. Okay, so this is the dynamic one. It's working fine. Now I want to say selection dot copy. So it will copy the data. Then I want to say WSD cells. I want to paste this data on M1. So let me just check which column this M is. So I will apply one formula here, which is column. It says 13. So I want to say 1 comma 13 dot select, then active cell dot paste special. Then I want to say application dot cut copy mode equals to false. Now it will paste the data here. Now I want to say selection dot remove duplicates, columns 1, headers equals to Excel. No, because it's not containing any header. Let me just check if this code is perfectly working. Then we will go ahead. So I'm going again one by one. Now it will paste the data here and it's getting stuck here. So let me check what mistake I have done here. So this is not headers, this is header only. Yeah. So let me just check. Yeah, guys, it has now removed the duplicate values from here. Let me just check count if, or I will apply if, no, count if, and I just want to check if it's containing any duplicate value. So guys, since you can see here, every value is 1. So there is no duplicate value. So my code is perfectly working till here. Now, what I will do is, I will say for, no, I will say WSD 1 comma, I want to, make my cursor to reach here. So what I will say 1 comma 3 dot select. Okay, so it will come here. Then I want to say active cell dot auto filter. Okay, field will become 3 and criteria 1 will become the one which I have pasted here. So I will use one loop here. So let me just initiate my loop. I want to say for x equals to, because my data is getting started from second row and sheet is 1. So I will say 2 to last row. No, this is my last row. I will have to define one more last row here. So this time I am saying last row, and this time my last row will become the one which we have pasted on M1 column. So I want to say this last row will be rows.count comma 13 Excel up. So my loop will run from second to 1 to last row. Okay, because my data will get pasted on M1 column 1 comma 13. Okay, so criteria 1 will become, guys, WSD dot cells x comma 13. So this is, this is the criteria. So once this action will be completed, now I want to select the data. So how my data will be selected? I will say I am creating one more range, my range 1 as range. So this time I want to say so this is my second dynamic range. I am applying it here, and I want to say 1 comma 1. Then this last row will come here in the here, and last data is on column D, so this will become 4. So this is my second dynamic range. Okay guys, now I want to say my range 1. This will become my range 1. So I want to say my range 1 dot select selection dot copy. It will copy the data. Then I want to say sheets dot add after sheets x. After sheets add after sheets x. Let me just check if it will work. Active sheet dot name will become the one which we have used here on the value which will be on column M1, and then similarly on column like row M2, M3, M4 likewise. So it will change the name to this, and then I want to say active cell dot paste special, then application dot cut copy mode equals to false. So guys, let's see it one by one if it's perfectly working or getting stuck somewhere. So I am running my code one by one. So it says next. So I am using nextx here. Okay. So it has selected the data. Now it has pasted on column M, removed the duplicates. Then last row is 25. So my loop will run till 25, from 1 to 25. Now you will see. So filter should apply on Jalandhar because my first value is Jalandhar here on column M1. So let me just check if it has applied the filter on Jalandhar. Yeah, so there is only one entry for Jalandhar. Now it will select the entire range. It has selected copy, and then it has added one more sheet, made change the name as Jalandhar and pasted the data. Then I want to say one more thing here, selection dot entire column dot auto fit. So it will auto fit the data. Then again it will go to here. So okay, now what I want to say here is, first of all, it will select WSD dot select. It will select the the data sheet, and here I will write one more thing. If active sheet dot auto filter mode equals to true, then what should happen? It should open the filter. If there is already, then there is already filters have been applied on active sheet, then it will remove the filters. Okay, so now I am deleting this sheet and checking my code again. F8 F8. So it has pasted the data, removed the duplicates. So first is on Jalandhar, it has made it Jalandhar, then autofit, it will again come to this sheet, it will open the filter again and reapply the filter on Delhi. Yeah, this is Delhi now, but this is not selecting the entire range. Why it's not selecting the entire range? Let me just check. I think I have done some mistake. So this is last row. No, actually it's selecting the data till 25th. Okay, no. So this last row will not be used here. This last row will be used here. So let me just paste this last row here. Now it will perfectly work. Okay, guys, this is all. So now what I'm going to do here is I will show you two examples one by one, and then I will run my code in one go. Okay, so I am removing this value and I am deleting this sheet. So let's see it one by one if the code is perfectly working. So I am running it one by one. So as you can see here, it has pasted the data. It has now removed the duplicates. Now it will apply filter on Jalandhar first of all. So it has selected the data, made it Jalandhar. Then it will now apply filter on. It is now on Delhi. First of all, it will remove the filter. So it has removed the filter and now checked. Second value is Delhi. So filter should be applied on Delhi now. So filter is on Delhi. Entire data will be selected, I guess. So entire data has been selected. Now it has again added one more sheet, made it Delhi, and this is the data for Delhi. Then again it will remove the filter, and the third value here is Haridwar. So let me just check. It has, yeah, so it has selected the Haridwar, and then this is the data for Haridwar. So guys, let me just run this code and in one go. So what I am going to do here is I am deleting these sheets, removing the filter from here, and I will say in last MSD box separate sheets have been created. Okay, so let me just run this in one go. Yeah, separate sheets have been created. So guys, you can see here, this is the data for Manali, this is for Shimla, this is for Chamba. So separate sheets for different cities have been created. So this is a small project, guys. Even though you can see that this is a project, this is a small project, but it is very useful. You can create your different data cuts by using this method. And this is a dynamic code. By the help of this code, you can create your own projects. So I hope guys you find this video very useful for you. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel and like and share with your friends. As of now, I'm signing off. Bye bye, take care, and Jai Hind, guys.